Okay, so um, we've done the last lesson. I wanted to do a quick video on the questions for some that maybe didn't see all the lessons and maybe want to go over these questions. You've got the paper one, which is multiple choice, but then the paper two are the structured questions. They're the open questions. There's 4 types. We've got define, explain, analyse or discuss. The define questions normally are quick. You just have to define something. Normally they're worth 2 marks and you have to put 2 things, make 2 points. For example, what is demand? We can answer that saying demand is what people want and can buy. Not just what people want, but also can buy. They've got the money. So that's 2 marks. You get all the marks for that. Explain normally are 4 marks. Here, be sure to explain things fully. You want to explain, I don't know, why the government, there was a question I sent you, what in the second examples of past papers, why does the government want stable inflation? Explain why the government wants stable inflation. So you just go through and try to go deeply and fully, explain fully. The analyse questions need a bit more explanation. They're worth 6 marks, more or less. Sometimes more, sometimes less, but about 6 marks. So these are really important. You need to spend some time on these. These are, analyse means what is the impact of. So you're trying to explain the impact of something. For example, analyse the consequences of unemployment. So you need to say what the impact of it is. Now with these questions, you need to answer them. There's 6 marks. If you do a diagram, that's worth some marks. So if they're talking about markets, maybe you can do a demand and supply diagram, or if it's talking about GDP, you can draw the pill, the real GDP, just to show that you understand what this is, define everything, what it is, but then you need to first of all show that you can apply the theory. So you try to use the question. So it says, analyse the consequences of unemployment. Use the question. Say, the consequences of unemployment are, and then maybe you can think of 2 consequences or more. Maybe the consequences of unemployment are that people will have less money in their pockets, so this means they will spend less and slow the economy. Or another consequence, maybe the government will need to spend more money on mental health services because people in long-term unemployment become depressed and have problems. Maybe you can say the government got to spend money generally also because they're going to spend on unemployment benefits, on retraining people, helping people in different ways. But then you need to also go further. Maybe you can say the consequences of unemployment are that people spend less money, and then go further. So you say this will lead to the economy slowing down and maybe the government needing to increase money supply because they will find that they need to expand the economy, get the circulation of money going. So this will tend to have this effect. So try to go further, take the argument further. Those are analyse questions, so you're saying what the impact of something is. They're worth 6. Discuss questions are worth 8 marks, more or less. Remember to say what it is for and what is against. So if you're discussing, for example, discuss whether the government should spend money on the health service, spend more money on the health service. You can say for, it means, make a couple of points. Well, if people are healthier, they'll be able to work more, that will increase production and will expand the economy, etc. So and try to make links, so if people work more, then they can pay more taxes, so in the end the government would have more money. So you're making links. As long as you show they're relevant, then you've got to say what's against, where you can say, resources are limited. We could talk about, the resources are limited. There's an opportunity cost here. If they spend on the health service, they can't spend on education. So this will be taking money away from other very important services, etc. So you need to make a couple of points here. By spending money on the health service, maybe they will be taking money away from important infrastructures. Maybe people will be less responsible for their health if they think the government can, if they think the government will put more money into dental services, etc. Maybe they won't worry so much about eating sweet things, etc. So try to make some couple of points on that. With the discuss question, you can make 2 points for, 2 against, or even more if you want, and then make some links. Try to show consequential effects. Say for and against, remember that. But also define. You've got to define things too. So you get points for maybe first explaining what is unemployment.